Hey guys, today we're going to make chicken souvlaki in the air fryer. I'm going to show you how I marinate mine up, and we're going to make a Greek salad, but I'm not going to do that part on the video. I'll just explain to you what's in it. And yeah, so let's get started on the marinade.
And the snares might give you whiplash.
I gone to the store today and I grabbed a nice deal on some chicken breast here. So yeah, I'm just going to put 2 of these in the freezer to make some butter chicken tomorrow, and the other 2 I'm going to turn into little chicken souvlaki bits to make in the air fryer. For this, you're going to need 1/4 of a lemon. You're going to need your pepper, some garlic, and a little bit of oregano. And yeah, we've got the pita already for people who want that. And yeah, we'll make the salad separately. For this, I'm going to end up needing 2 bags, so I can put 2 of the chicken breasts away in the freezer, and the other one for marinating until dinner later tonight. As always, make sure you disinfect your workstation before and after, because that is very, very important. Okay, let's have a look at this. Very nice chicken. Alright. Okay, I've cleaned up the chicken, and now I'm just going to cut it straight like this and then dice it all up. Okay, so now I've chopped up these 2 chicken breasts. I'm going to add them to the bag, and then after that I'm going to put my spices together in a bowl with the lemon and add it to it, and just let it sit until it's dinner time. Okay, now our chicken's in the bag. I'm going to leave it for a second, leave it aside, and I'm going to bowl up all the ingredients that I need. For this, we're going to need 1/4 lemon, so obviously cut a wedge out of it and return it to your fridge with some plastic wrap. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and add your boys, squeeze your lemon right in. Again, it doesn't need to be a lot, just enough for the stuff to spread around to the chicken. Next, you're going to want to add some pepper. I like the freshly cracked, preferably. Oregano. And garlic. Okay, like that. Very good. Okay, now it doesn't hurt just to mix everything together before you put it inside. And in my instance here, I'm probably going to add just a tiny little bit of olive oil, but just enough so that it'll spread around. And yeah, then we're going to let it sit and enjoy it later. Okay, now I'm just going to add this into the chicken, and I'll let it sit until dinner so it can marinate. And yeah, we'll check back later, and we're going to air fry this bad boy up. I also add about 1 tablespoon of this just for the flavor profile for the chicken. Okay, now we've sealed it up. You're going to want to kind of get it smushed around. And yeah, it's the same kind of as before with the chicken wings, but with chopped up chicken breast. Okay, we've mashed it around a little bit. Spread everything around, and yeah, just gonna let it sit like I said, and it'll be dinner time ready. As for the salad that's gonna go with it, I'm just gonna do a lettuce, red pepper, cucumber, and some tomato, and yeah, we'll add the feta cheese later on, and yeah, it'll be delicious, and I hope you guys like this recipe. It's something I've been making for many years with my mom. She used to work in restaurants, and so she learned lots of different recipes, and yeah, so I'm just glad that I can share some of the weird things I got to learn throughout the years. Okay, I got this beautiful salad all chopped up and ready to go for later. And I have some sticks, some pepper sticks, that are going to go in with the air-fried chicken later on when it's dinner time.
I'm gonna get in this thing, and I'm gonna kick your ass!
Okay, so it's dinner time now, and just preheating the oven at 350. I'm going to cut these up into triangles, and I'm going to take a little olive oil and garlic and just baste them and put them in the oven. And yeah, that'll be closer to when the dinner's ready, but just want to have it ready. Yeah, and then we're going to air fry up soon the chicken, but yeah, I just want to make sure that the oven is warm. Okay, so the mixture that I'm going to end up putting on the pitas later is a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of garlic powder, and just a tiny little bit of parsley. And we'll baste those on later when time. Okay, so the oven is preheated. I've picked out some of my pita I'm going to cut up. And as always, before I start the food, I want to preheat this bad boy for 3 minutes. And yeah, I'm going to cut these into triangles and we'll go from there. Okay, now I've cut them up into triangles. I'm going to get them onto my pan. And yeah, then I'm going to put this stuff on it. The mixture that we made earlier. Okay, now I have them all lined up. I'm going to go ahead and use my little baster. And, you know, we'll be modest. And just, yeah, go ahead. Pop these bad boys on. And again, it can be all over the place like this. And yeah, it's a really easy thing to do. And it really adds to the souvlaki. So, yeah, anyway. This is going to go into the oven at 350, and we're going to start with 10 minutes. And then after that, I'm going to check them and flip them, and then baste the other side. Probably another 5 minutes while the souvlaki is in the air fryer. And yeah, this will be really quick. I mean, if you have time to make this even in the morning time before work, or even the night before, you just leave it in the fridge and come home and you can put it right inside the air fryer quickly. And with that being said, it's something that would be always easy, always. Alright, inside it goes. Don't forget to set timers for things, so I'm going to do 10 minutes. Oh, okay, so the stuff that I prepped earlier, I'm going to bring out. The peppers. Oh dear, right in the face. The chicken. And that's all we need right now for the air fryer. Okay, so now this is preheated. We're going to take that chicken that we marinated earlier today. Oh man, does that not look good. And we're going to add these in. Just like that. And I'm going to move it around, of course. Grandma used to hit you with the wooden spoon. I don't know. Depends on where you're from in the world, I guess. Anyway. Okay, so we just want to spread this out evenly across your air fryer. And yeah, so I'm going to put this in for 13 minutes to start. Have a look at everything. Maybe move it around. And then we'll put it in for another 13 minutes. Okay, one thing I gotta say, I wish you guys could smell how good it is in here. Oh. Alright, we're gonna check out our pitas now. Oh yeah, those are starting to look good, Close that up. Okay, I flipped them all over. Gonna just reapply a little bit more to this. Try and get them toasty, but keep them kind of moist. Oh man, I'm excited for these too. Just like the old days growing up. Oh man, I used to make this food with my mom a lot when I was a kid, and it's always nostalgic to make stuff, you know, from when you were a child, and also, but making it a little differently, like in the air fryer, or cutting up the pita into triangles and making it this way. I mean, I only ever had it this way in restaurants. My mom always got the pocketed ones, and honestly, this was on a whim. I had made a mistake at the store and forgot to get the pocketed ones for this, so there you go, things switch up. Okay, we're gonna put these bad boys back in for 5 more minutes. Okay, so these are looking delicious. Nice. So we're gonna leave these set aside for right now. Let's just double check all sides. Perfect. Okay. Okay, the grand reveal. Oh wow, look at that. Holy crap, this thing is quick every time. Gonna want to move that chicken around. Same thing. If you flip it all up, break it apart. Even though I cut it earlier, it's not really doing its thing, but there we go. That's better. Okay, now I'm gonna add the peppers I cut earlier, pop it back in for 13. Okay, now the peppers are in, pop this bad boy back in, same deal, 13 minutes. Alright, so if anybody out there has a better tzatziki recipe. I used to be able to make it, and I don't know what happened the last time I made it. Maybe it was too much lemon. Maybe I really don't know, and I just haven't taken a stab at making it. But yeah, I don't know. Long story short, I suckered out and bought this one. It's okay though. This one is really good. We're just about ready. You got the feta cheese onto the salad, a little oregano on top. I ended up making a little too much salad, so we split it. You know how it goes. Olives for those who like it, and yeah. Just gonna wait another 7 minutes and we're 6 minutes and we're good to go. Alright, time for the grand reveal. Oh my goodness, that looks delicious and so easy. Okay guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Yeah, tune in shortly for the final bite. Okay, so for my final bite, I'm just gonna try out the pita with a little piece of the chicken. Very excited. Very crunchy. Chicken is perfect, still moist. Again, the Ninja XL. So good. I'm gonna go enjoy my dinner now. Peace.